I think pumasok dito si Alan. Bibili sila ng kanilang mga... Are you okay? Good? You're happy? Maganda sana kung sumama yung kanyang kapatid na yung overflow. Gusto lang kumain. Sila kumakain pa. Ayan. Itong dalawa. Really cool. We're back. We are going for 5 days motorhome. May dala kaming unan. Kasi winter, ito din, panglamig. Tingnan nyo guys kung gaano kadami ang ating dala. Yan. Ito lang naman. So, okay lang magdala ng kahit ilan yung gusto mo. Yung mga coats nandyan. Kasi, malamig. It's winter. Ayun lang. So, update ko kayo. We're going to Auckland today. Update ko kayo. So, mag-ano muna tayo. Lagay natin yung mga bagahe. So, nagluto din tayo ng pansit at rice is live. Dala akong water, syempre. We are heading to Auckland and we are in Hamilton and this is the view. It's so beautiful. Yung landscape, napakaganda. Ang ganda. Hindi siya makapture lahat ng camera ko, pero I swear, so pretty. So winter dito sa New Zealand and we're heading to Northland trip by motorhome. So today is we're going to Auckland and tomorrow we're gonna pick up our motorhome. Look at that, the trees, the trucks, and the landscape is really beautiful. Ang ganda. Today is a day 1 and we're heading to Auckland.
Few moments later.
So, we're going to North. We're still here. So,
Waiting for them to leave.
yeah.
Waiting for brother.
Hi, honey.
Hey.
Are you okay?
Yep.
All good? You're happy?
Happy.
That's the most important.
Happy, joy.
We're heading north. So, time check is, I think it's 12:41 ng tanghali. And we're heading to north. So, yung last time namin na motorhome was 2022 before kami nag-board dito sa New Zealand. So, it's been like 3 years ago. So, ito naman ay 5 days namin na gagamitin ito. I mean, ito yung magiging bahay namin for 5 days. So, today is day 1. Yeah, and we're heading Northland. So, marami tayong i-upload at i-document natin kasi hindi lang dito sa views kundi memories, you know. Ayan lang po. Ito na yung aking asawa nagda-drive and kasama pala namin yung kapatid niya at saka yung partner niya pero nasa isang motorhome din sila sa likod namin lang. Ayan. Mamaya ipapakita ko yung motorhome nila na exactly the same din sa motorhome namin. So we are heading north. Today is July 24, 2025. So kailangan nating i-enjoy day bago tayo mag-start sa bago nating work. Yan yung importante dito. Kailangan nating mag-enjoy muna. Talaga marunong ka talaga mag-drive ng maayos dito kasi yung daan ay very windy. Paikot-ikot, palikot-ikot. Kailangan maingat ka talaga mag-drive. Yan. So, hindi pa kami nakapag-lunch. At malayo pa kami. Hindi na siguro masyadong malayo. Update ko may mamaya. Maganda sana po sumama yung isa niyang kapatid. Tatlo yung motor. Time check is 4:15 at nasa road pa rin kami. So nakapag-grocery na rin kami. Okay na kami kahit saan kami. There's another Foursquare here. Nandun na yung kapatid niya. Nauna na. Hindi man lang kami hinintay. Yeah. So, all good, loaded. Meron na kami mga motor lahat na kailangan namin. Nakabili na kami. So, we feel comfortable na. Kasi kanina wala. At malayo na yung nilakbay namin. At wala pa kaming mga pagkain. So, ngayon, we are all good. So, we can stop anywhere for the night. But we're heading to sa beach area daw. Let's see kung anong pangalan ng place na yun kasi hindi ko siya na-pronounce masyado. nagkape lang kami dito. Nag-stop kami dito sa Italian bakery. Tapos may another 1 hour pa kami para marating yung destination namin, guys. So, kape-kape lang at saka kumain sila. Ako naman kasi hindi ako gutom kasi meron nga akong baon. Mayroon tayong mga biscuits. So, ito yung motorhome natin. For 6 days. Hindi 5 days. 6 days pala. Yeah. I think pumasok dito si Alan. Bibili sila ng kanilang wine. Kaiwaka liquor. Ito, sarap ko. So, yeah. Try natin na mag-enjoy sa ating motorhome adventure. Kailangan ma-enjoy natin to bago tayo mag-work. So, yeah. Update ko kayo mamaya, guys. Ano pa yung mga latest natin na gagawin. Nahanap ko yung camera ko. See ya! Yan, dyan sila pumasok sa Kaiwaka Liquor. Yan, bibili si Yoy ng kanyang wine or vodka, whatever. Tingnan nyo guys yung view, ang ganda. Tapos, dito kami kumain sa... Hindi kami kumain. Nagkape lang ako, sila yung kumain kasi busog pa naman ako. Dito sa may La Luna Bakery, Italian Bakery. Ayan. Yan lang. So, let's go what they got inside. If I can find something here. Honey, do you have Amarola? Thank you. So guys, they have Amarola, yung hinahanap ko, pero medyo pricey siya. It's cost $46. Ayan. Yan siya sa baba. Sa Dubai, mura lang yan. Dito mahal pala. Yung hinahanap ko po yung breezer pa, pero wala dito. Yeah. So they have also the rosé. Sa baba. They have everything. Red wine, everything. Apple cider. Parang apple cider siya. Yeah, green apple. Ah. We are in Manga Turutu. So we need another an hour here. Are you sure? So, right, there's a pharmacy here. So, nag-stop kami dito, guys. Tingnan nyo yung view. Hindi pa kami nakarating doon sa pupuntahan namin. So, I'm not sure what is the name of this lake, pero tatanungin ko mamaya si Alan. Ang ganda. Sunset will be there. O, diba? Tapos meron dito pwedeng umupo. Ito yung main road. Yan. Oh, inubo siya. Yan. Yung kapatid niya. Tsaka siya. Yan. Wave, 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 wave. Ayan. Itong dalawa. Really cool. Yeah. So, nag-stop sila kasi nga yung mga ano nila, flying away slowly. Same sa amin din, yung cattery namin, yung lang ang laman yun, puro lang char tinidor
Six and a half hours later.
So after 5 hours drive, na maraming stop, maraming mga nalalagas sa motorhome. Finally, we are here. We are in Bayless Beach Holiday Park. So, let's see kung maganda yung kanilang facilities, pero at least meron kaming power kasi mahirap kasi winter ngayon. All good, honey?
Yeah.
$60. So, nandito na tayo sa Bayless Beach Holiday Park Camp. Ayan, mag-check-in tayo, yung dalawa nandun. So, after a long drive, after 5 hours drive, my God, we're here. Yun lang. Daming kadramahan while we are driving. Nawawala yung phone ko, nawawala yung sunglasses ko, pero actually, andito lang siya sa loob. Tapos, mga ano namin sa likod, flush away. Tapos ko lang kumain, sila kumakain pa, umiinom.
No, I wouldn't be older than that, because I think we must have started caravanning. No, camping.
We were
Very,
in Chinching. The only memory I have of
Hindi ko
Chinching
siya masyado type yung motorhome, pero okay lang. Carry bum.
was either
So, meron
Waihi
tayong
Beach or
rice.
Bowen Town.
Nagluto ko ng pansit noong dala.